Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning and welcome to another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, if you'd like to finally face those pains or the issues that you have stopping you from living your life the way you want, how about you and me work together to help unlock the next big adventure in your life? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515. Let's book a time together and get this thing of yours on the road. But first, here is today's quote. A funny thing happens when you start believing in yourself. Other people start believing in you too. So much can start from the belief and the courage to begin something special. We all have dreams and visions that we want to chase, and it always comes from actually believing in yourself first. People are always watching you and waiting for you to either fail or succeed. The next big thing for you, well, that will come when you start to believe in yourself, and that's when others will also start to see what you're trying to do. Believe in you and others will follow.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.